Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, running boards, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.